So we're gonna try Oreo mint fudge covered. Fudge covered mint Oreos. I don't know why. Anyways. So Maya's not gonna be trying any of these.
Yes, I am. What do you? So mean. So mean.
They look like the Thin Mints from the Girl Scout cookies.
They do.
That's probably what they're gonna taste like. I'm being honest. You gonna try one?
Yeah.
That's probably what they're gonna taste like. The Thin Mints from.
Okay, so
Also
this
in
is
the
what they look
background.
like.
Also says hi.
So cute.
Okay. Oh, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mmm,
They taste like the Girl Scout.
they do. These are good.
Yeah. I'm not complaining because they're good, but.
You look like you're still thinking about it.
They're good.
Like them?
But yeah.
Oh, you're getting too close.
Hello.
But yeah. I mean, that's what they taste like.
So what would you rate it?
You're my brothers. You're my best
9.5 out of 10.
9.5, okay.
I don't know what's in this, so I'm saying 9.5.
What do you mean you don't know what's in it?
Well, like, what if it's like last time and there's some caramel in it? There's some mystery caramel in it.
I don't think so. They're not advertised that way.
We need to get the birthday ones.
We already did the birthday ones.
No, they have different ones now, and it's like chocolate with sprinkles in it. The other one's just
Really?
white cream, yeah.
Mm.
For their birthday, for Oreo's birthday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to get those. Stay tuned for that. We gotta find those.
That will probably be our next.
And then also, if anybody sees any unique flavors, please let us know. And let us know where you found them, because